Hi, this is me again Takigul and also I'm an app developer. So today video is quite useful and this question has been asked so many times over internet, and that is how much does it cost to develop a mobile application? So in this video I'm gonna tell you the exact strategy to calculate the cost of your app. Generally, the cost of making a mobile app ranges extremely from total zero to unbelievably expensive price that could reach millions. Although, frankly, there is no simple answer to this query due to multiple factors. So, the price to make an app depends on the following aspects, which I'm going to show you. First one, what is type of app you want to develop, like it's a mobile game or business apps or social networking app or lifestyle etc. And the second one is in which platform you want to build an app, like it will be in iOS or Android or Windows Phone or another platform. And it also depends on design, like it's basic or individual or custom, and how many number of pages you want to build in your app. And the last, it depends on number of features you are going to choose. If we split mobile apps into three categories like simple, moderate and complex, and take two kinds of hourly rates as per company standard, so this is how much app cost to make approximately, which I'm going to show you in the table. So under simple app, we are considering that no API integration, no backend standard UI components, simple features like email subscription, social login, calendar, etc. And suppose this kind of app takes 400 hours to develop an app, and one company take $20 per hour and another company take $50 per hour. So the cost will be $8,000 to $20,000. And similarly for moderate app, and under this we can consider custom UI features, payment features, API integration, heat sets and tablets adoptions, backend server. And suppose this kind of app takes 500 to 800 hours, so the cost will be $16,000 to $40,000. And for the complex app, we can consider some features like multi-language support, third-party integration, custom animations, complicated backend, professional designs, real-time features. And this kind of app takes 800 to 1500 hours, so the cost will be $30,000 to $75,000. So this is how we calculate the cost of an app. So we can say simple app cost between $1,000 to $5,000, and it depends on the company standard and also GEO and currency value, and it takes approx 1 to 2 months for development of an app. And for moderate app, cost vary between $5,000 to $20,000, and similarly depends on the DAF company GEO, and it takes 2 to 4 months for development an app. And the third one, complex app, cost vary between $20,000 to $1 lakh, and it takes 4 to 8 months to develop an app. So this is not a fixed cost which I'm trying to show you. This is approximate cost, and it totally depends on company to company that how much they charge per hourly and how much effort they put to develop an app. So we can say there is no fixed cost for an app development. It's totally vary company to company. It's not a secret that the average cost of app development varies depending on geographical location. So let's have a brief look at the table. Like Indonesia takes $11 to $12, it's just an average cost per hour, and India takes $30 to $26 per hour, it's average cost, and likewise you can see other country how much they charge per hourly. So you can see in this table in the brief. The average time is taken to develop an app according to research is 8 weeks, that is 320 billable hours. A simple app will cost $4,500 in India compared to $45,000 in the USA. So there is too much difference in cost. A complex one might cost $38,000 in India and $250,000 in USA. And this is the biggest reason that development project outsourced to India, because Indian developers give the same quality as another country, and this is the reason other country outsource their project to India. So this is how we company calculate calculate the cost. Hope this will be helpful for you. And in the next video, I'll tell you the cost of developer team to create an app, and also will tell you which is the best option, like hiring development company or agency, or hiring a freelancer will be good for you. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.